It's Chris Sugai from Niner Bikes. Enjoy the new ride.
Hi, this is Brian from Niner Bikes, and I'm here to introduce a totally redesigned Rip 9 RDO. It's the same name, but completely redesigned for this new iteration. One thing that you'll notice is that we now offer it in two wheel sizes, 29 and 27.5, depending on your riding style and preferences. That does come with a dedicated frame per wheel size, so don't go putting big wheels on the wrong frame. Some other things that I'll take you through the bike front to back. A new slackened head tube angle. We're going to lower standover height to accommodate longer dropper posts and more comfort when standing over your bike. We have a redesigned rib cage design to give you more stiffness at the bottom bracket. We've also added some nice bash guard features on the lower link. And as a first for Niner, we offer a flip chip in the rear pivot so that you can change a full degree in your head tube angle. We've added internal guide tubes from front to back to make routing your brake cables and shifting cables super easy. They're also incredibly quiet, so no clackety clacking going down the trail. We've redesigned our CVA suspension design. It's CVA 2.0. It's a redesigned leverage curve to give you a better, more stable pedaling platform, more mid-stroke support, and better ramp up for those big hits on the trail. Moving to the back of the bike, you'll notice that we still use Enduro Max bearings, but we've now gone to the black oxide coating. These are extra durable, even more so than our other bearings, and it just keeps your bike maintenance free and running smooth for a long time. The bike is 140 millimeters of travel in the rear and 150 millimeters in the front, and we've used that suspension and redesigned our CVA 2 suspension for better leverage curves to give you more mid-stroke support, a better pedaling platform, and more ramp up for those big hits on the trail. It's a really fun bike. You're going to like it.